Hey, what's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into the latest flagship killer from Realme, the Realme GT7 Pro. This phone packs some serious heat with powerful specs, an insane camera setup, and a super smooth display. Let's find out if this is the game changer you've been waiting for. Starting with the design, Realme has stepped up their game with a premium glass and metal build that feels incredibly solid in hand, along with a sleek, modern look that stands out. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display is stunning, with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling to gaming feel super responsive. And speaking of gaming, let's talk performance. Under the hood, we've got the latest Snapdragon model processor paired with up to 12 GB of RAM, which means this phone can handle anything you throw at it, from intense gaming sessions to multitasking with zero lag. Now, moving to the camera setup, the GT7 Pro features a triple lens system led by a powerful 108MP primary sensor, which delivers crisp and detailed photos even in low light. You also get ultra-wide and macro lenses for those creative shots, and Realme's software enhancements make colors pop without looking unnatural. Battery life is impressive too. The 5000 mAh battery comfortably lasts all day, and with 65W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 35 minutes. So, should you buy it? Well, if you're after flagship features without breaking the bank, the Realme GT7 Pro might just be the best value smartphone out right now. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.